Hi, this is Tom Arbuthnot and we're at EXPO London and I'm here on the AudioCodes stand with John. John, if you want to introduce yourself?
Hi, yep, John Stuart Murray, pre-sales consultant from AudioCodes.
Cool. So what's been interested around, you obviously do a lot around Skype for Business, what's been the most interesting thing on the stand for you guys, for customers?
I guess the key thing has been Cloud PBX, so it's the cloud migration. So I guess the two key areas people have been talking about is they want to integrate Cloud PBX users with on-prem equipment.
Right.
So using our CCA appliance has been the most important thing, I guess.
So that's bringing your own PSTN connectivity to the cloud service?
Yeah, or they've got a legacy PBX on site with a SIP trunk or an ISDN connection, and they want to integrate that with Cloud PBX users, so they can call from Cloud PBX users to the people already homed on the PBX, and then migrate gently over as time goes by.
So you've got an Avaya, a Cisco, whatever,
exactly,
and you want to interoperate between the two for a while.
Yeah, exactly. Very common. And migrate off. And the other one has been around CCE dashboards. So we've got a great dashboard on our CCE appliance that really gives you some KPI around how CCE is behaving and the kind of call throughput and stuff. And that information is not really available at the moment from Microsoft, but we've got it on our CCE appliance basically. So it gives you lots of information around that, which is great for end users.
So you deploy an AudioCodes CCE and you can see like how many calls are being made.
Yeah, concurrent calls, failed calls, previous calls. You can see all the KPI around the health of the virtual machines running on CCE as well. And also you can look at your entire tenant across the whole kind of across the whole piece basically. So it makes a really good information flow from CCE.
And I caught earlier you were talking about call recording on the Cloud Connector Edition. So
that's true.
Explain how that works.
Well, we've got our own call recording solution called SmartHat, which is fully Skype for Business compliant, and that usually runs in Skype for Business on-prem. What we do in Cloud Connector Edition is we run the kind of we run it on our SBC or on our Cloud Connector Edition unit, and we then spin off the recording to a local SmartHat virtual machine basically. So we can record all the calls that are coming through the PSTN through Cloud Connector up into the cloud.
So that's really interesting. So if your compliance requirement is to record all PSTN calls, and you've got AudioCodes Cloud Connector Edition, you can record all those, even though there's not recording in the cloud yet, because you're catching it on the box.
Yes, exactly, yeah. I mean, typically people tend to want to record calls that are going out onto the PSTN. Internal calls aren't always required to be recorded. There's certainly calls going onto the PSTN always need to be recorded, so we can certainly do that. And also we're looking at the APIs that Microsoft are making available now in the cloud to be able to record the cloud side of the conversation as well. So it's an ongoing journey.
Yeah, it's always changing, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
So if people are interested in what you guys do around TCE or phones or anything else, what's the best way to get in touch?
Just give us a call or send an email. If you can find our addresses on the website, or send an email to uksales@audiocodes.com. Give me a call. I'm always happy to talk to anyone basically.
Great. Cool. Thanks for your time, John.
Thanks a lot, Tom. Cheers. Goodbye.